All right, welcome back. So, sitting here, sometimes you do a lot of thinking. And I've decided I'm going to take the head off. I want to see how the cylinders look and where this thing is stuck. So here we go. All right, got one more to do there. Let's see. Right there's a 5/8 wrench. I guess my reason I'm doing this, one, I'm curious. Two, I want to see if it looks like it's savable stuck, or if it's an absolute disaster. If it's an absolute disaster, it'll make a difference on what we do to get the transmission off. So, here we go. Okay, we're all out. There you go. Just a little leverage. Get one on there. Let's get the throttle on. We'll just leave the bolts right there. Moment of truth. It's either going to be eGads or. Here we go. Well. Whew, sure stinks. Wow. Alright, I'm going to grab the other camera so you can get a closer view of what was going on. But, alright, I'll be back. Alright, so here I am on the other camera. Now, something I want you all to notice. See how these coolant passages are plugged with schmutz? That's why when people say, oh, we should try to get it running. Yeah, we should just try it. No, we don't need to take the head off. Yeah, okay. Granted, this one was stuck, so there was no choice. But so this cylinder, still nice and shiny. This one, not so bad. This one's got some surface rust in it. This one here, I don't know. Probably history, but it does just still have the cast pistons. It's still got the two-piece valves, so it isn't like it was rebuilt in any way, you know, back in the day. But anyway, now we know. Now we see what it looks like on the inside. I'm curious to see what it looks like on the bottom side. That'll be next. All right, here we go.